At least 11 people, mostly elementary students, were killed after a container truck transporting iron crashed at a bus stop in front of a school in Bekasi, Indonesia on Wednesday.
The accident took place when the children were waiting for a ride home after finishing classes at a bus stop on the main road connecting Bekasi area and East Jakarta. There were about 20 students at the scene, and those injured were taken to 2 hospitals for immediate treatments. The truck also hit a telecommunications pole that fell down and crushed motorbikes and a pickup that was crossing the road, and the driver of the pickup also died. Jakarta Police Traffic Director Latif Usman says the driver of the truck has been detained as part of an investigation, while the cause of the crash is still being investigated.
The Israeli army arrested 12 Palestinians during West Bank raids on Tuesday, including 2 men suspected of carrying out a shooting last week.
They were apprehended after a shootout with Israeli troops in the northern West Bank village of Rujib near Nablus. Video footage shows damage to a house in Rujib after an explosion followed by intense gunfire and the surrender of the 2 wanted men. Since March, Israel has been conducting near-daily raids in the occupied West Bank, driving up tensions in the area. The raids were launched after a spate of deadly attacks against Israelis that killed 19 people.